Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Microcontrollers Instructor. Or Kit. Or Consultant.
Me, microcontroller here, or here, or here, 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 this controller here, and now kit for ears and kits for here or consulting. So here, me before board here is the parts here, Arduino Uno here, and wire. And this good for the press board here. This another one here. This here is your board for soldering here. Arduino Uno year 2, the butts and this, and here wire, and that's it. This here display here, the button for here, the sensor here and here too, and here too. So good. Transmitter here and Uno here, control here and thumbstick here, and good. Time here, controller here, and temperature, this temperature, humidity, and time and date, and the memory here, display here, and antenna. This, the wheels for here, robots here, and same thing, the wire, and this I think 5 years here, and this, and this 2 years there. The sound, noise, or wave here, and see the here is good, and battery here and here, and box for here. The here and sound, the copper here, this LEDs here, display, and love your loom, and this, and perfect here. Wood too. Perforated board here, this here, this, nothing here, but here, copper here, and I think this, so now 1 here, 2, 3, this here, this or this, board here and soldering for here, wood here, or ear, Lexan here, acrylic here, control here, or pots here, and here, this humidity and temperature here, controller here, the memory here, time and date, battery here, or GPS here, and switch here, gas here, and this, I think before, LEDs here, this is back and forth, and this, and arrow, and this, other one here, sound here, oh, and this here, this I think 5 volts here for here, and the controller 2. So this here, 5 volts here, and the battery here, and go to 5 volts. So it's good. Ear or ear and wire, the same thing, or PCB. This here, copper here and here, and me before etch this thing, so go to here, and the whatever this, or no, this around here, so it's good. But this, me, I think 20 years ago, because now all this, me here, the same thing, CNC router here, and go here, and this router here, and here, and better, and 2 minutes here and back, and another one here, and the drill here for this and this and this, and perfect. Better and faster than etch, and this for hours and hours. And this good, but 1 and 2 and 3 is good for me. 2 or 3 is good. Manufacture for PCB. US, Canada, Europe, or China, because cheap and today and good. So project here or custom here. And the is good for PCB here, and sell it for here, PCB, and that's it. Or the build and parts here and bag, and that's it. The here or here, and the controller and this, or me, the ear or ear, soldering here, and that's it. Or building like here, this, this and build here now is good. Selling the project or whatever the controller or here kits or box here or and consultant this one here box for whatever and plug for Mac or Windows or Linux or this and building parts or kits or consultant for this or and sell it for bye-bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.